Reconciliation. 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 Noun. Definition: the restoration of friendly relations. Example: his reconciliation with your uncle. Noun. Definition: the action of making one view or belief compatible with another. Example: he aims to bring about a reconciliation between art and technology. Noun. Definition: the action of making financial accounts consistent, harmonization. Example: the reconciliation process should be consistent with the business strategy.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.